Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe or enerhiya na ating pong mababasa para sa iyo, Aries, at sa iyong person. I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Okay, so sinasabi dito na ayaw niyang maging kung ano man siya dati. Kasi ang tingin niya may mas nararapat pa para sa'yo. I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Okay, so again, ito yung tao na just being honest with you, no? Being truthful na nakikita kasi niya sa sarili niya na may mas nararapat pang tao para sa iyo kasi siguro yung kanyang pagkatao dati hindi nararapat na ipakita sa iyo o ma-experience mo kasi sabihin na natin na may mga bagay na hindi siya nagagawa mabuti, kaya nakita niya na dahil since you are a very nice person, hindi mo naman deserve yon, na dapat lang talaga kung ano yung kabutihan na binibigay mo sa kanya, makahanap ka din ng tao na equally na magbibigay din ng kabutihan sa iyo. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa tarot. We have the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Devil, the Three of Cups, and the Ace of Cups. We have the King of Pentacles, the bottom. Okay, Aries, King of Pentacles. This is an earth sign. Either you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. So, itong energy na to, o yung person na to might be somebody na talagang very secure or very stable, no, sa kanyang finances, and hardworking, no, talaga nakafocus sa kanyang career. Trabaho lang siya ng trabaho kasi gusto niya talaga mag-earn ng a lot of money para nga to make sure na hindi siya hirap. Financially, meron siyang pera. Financially, nabibili niya kasi lahat ng gusto niya. And nagpaplano kasi siya for the future. Pagdating ng panahon na kailangan niya na mag-relax, mag-retire, kasi may edad na siya, hindi siya hirap. Kaya kung gaba parang itong tao na to is very responsible, okay? Napaka-responsable niya. With the Four of Cups, itong tao na to, pinag-aaralan mo rin. No? You're trying to see if this person, itong ino-offer niya na pagmamahal, worth. Kasi nga, marami ka na experience no? Na sa mga past relationships mo na hindi nag-work properly. Na sabihin natin na nasaktan ka. Nasaktan ka dahil yung mga past relationships mo nagloko, nagsinungaling, may tinago, may ninakaw, di ba? May bisyo. So, ikaw, natuto ka na talagang this time, kung merong mag-o-offer ng love sa'yo, pag-aaralan mo talaga mabuti. Na hindi basta-basta na, alam mo yung makikipagrelasyon ka just for the heck of it. No? Hindi ganun eh. Ngayon talagang you are not just using your heart, but you're also using your head. Kasi itong King of Pentacles is all about logic as well. Now, Queen of Cups. There is love, no? May pagmamahal. Aries, you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. O meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. May pagmamahal, no? There's love. And a new beginning with something na very solid, with the Ace of Pentacles. Kaso, meron ang devil energy eh. This is an energy coming from a Capricorn. Para pinasukan ng something very negative. Maybe it has something to do with a third party. But of course, itong Three of Cups could also mean time to make that reunion or celebration or a date para magkaroon nga ng new beginning in love. Ace of Cups. Okay, so tignan natin. Medyo magulo eh. Kasi though you have two aces, there's something to do with starting a new beginning, something worth celebrating, or a date. Kaso may devil energy. I don't know what happened with the devil energy. So, clarify natin. Jumping card, Page of Wands. Four of Wands. And the Five of Swords. Yung love dito, no? It started with a message of passion and eventually wanted to be serious about this, no? Magkaroon ng, kung ba magkaroon mas magandang direksyon yung relationship. Nag-start something na maliit lang na pagpapahayag ng pag-ibig na to a point na parang seryoso na. Kaso pakiramdam mo, parang hindi ka pa talagang totally sold dito o you don't really see it to be coming in together, no? Parang ganun eh, yung dating. Bakit nandito yung Ace of Pentacles? We have the Moon, the Two of Cups, and Judgment. So, yung new beginning dito, no, it is something that is truly unknown. Hindi mo alam, hindi ka sure. Maybe it's being kept secret pa lang sa'yo ngayon about this person na talagang the one for you. No, yung hindi mo na pinapaalam sa'yo na may dadating na talagang the one for you. And that would need your decision. No? Kung ba tipong binibigyan ka ng second chance to have this true love in your life. Hindi ka sure, but true love will come. And you're given that second chance to have this new beginning. No? To have this new beginning. Something very, very solid. Bakit andito yung Devil? We have the King of Wands, the Chariot, and the Six of Cups. Yung energy na to, no? Something that is very negative, has something to do with a fire sign. Something like same as you, either an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. That merong tipong trying to make a decision which way to go. No? Saan ba ako pupunta? Kasi this person is somebody from the past. No? Somebody from your past. Kaya, trying to make that decision either between another fire sign or maybe a cancer, o may cancer siya sa kanyang chart, na talagang, and this person might be somebody from your past, no? Or somebody from your childhood or from your another lifetime. Naging devilish yung energy kasi nga, I think you're trying to decide between two people. Kasi there are two paths, no? Dalawang daan yung iniisip mo kung saan pupunta. And you trying to make that decision, which path to go. Now, bakit andito yung Three of Cups? Bakit andito yung Three of Cups? We have the Hangman, the Six of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Walang nangyayari, no? With the Hangman, everything seems to be stagnant. Walang movement, walang galaw. Kaya, nangyayari, walang equal give and take, no? Six of Pentacles. Kaya, walang new beginning. Para magkaroon kasi ng reconciliation or movement or date or celebration, kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago itong Hangman energy. Kailangan magkaroon ng equal give and take at kailangan ng new passionate beginning. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Ace of Cups? We have the Magician, the Seven of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So, yung new beginning in love, okay, you're given all the tools para maging successful nga itong bagong pag-uumpisa sa pag-ibig. And you put up your boundaries to make sure that everything that you wanted na dapat alam ng person mo should be said and known, pareho kayo, para, you know, to start having this offer of solid offer of love sa'yo, sa relationship na to. And that would really trigger, magti-trigger siya ng panibagong pag-ibig sa'yo. No? If you use all the tools that was given to you in the right way, and putting up your boundaries, then of course there will be a new offer of relationship, a new love, something very solid sa'yo. Kasi kung titignan mo, ilan yung aces mo dito? Tatlong aces mo. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Cups. Ang wala lang yung Ace of Swords, no? But there's so much new beginning that is being said here, Aries. Kasi yung sinasabi mo dito na I don't want to be who I used to be, you deserve better. I think this is where it comes in, no? You should be able to tell your boundaries na ito yun eh. Ganito kasi ako eh. And it's up to your person to understand and respect that. Diba? Hindi yung sasabihin mo agad na, no, you deserve better. Parang dinown mo agad yung sarili mo eh. Dito sa tao na to. Yung ikaw ni nagawa ng desisyon para do sa tao na yun. Where in fact, you should let your person make that decision for him or for herself about you. Doon mo nga makikita kung talagang mahal ka niya, kasi makikita mo kung talagang tanggap ka niya eh. Kung ganito ka, tanggap ka niya. Mahal ka pa rin niya. Kung hindi ka niya tanggap, then that's it. It doesn't mean na you're a bad person. But the thing is, you're not meant to be. Diba? Ang ano dito is really, you give yourself a chance. Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Yeah, diba? Yung past hurts natin, which is andito. Kasi nga, diba, kung where is that? Yung mga past hurts na yan, so whatever this is, yung kung ano may na-experience mo dati, diba, dapat love should be the one that makes the difference. Kasi kung talagang ang love ka, no, yung pagmamahal na yon, natutulungan kang gamutin yung mga masasakit na pangyayari dati. Diba? It heals that wound, that pain in your heart. Kaya dapat yun ay mag-provide ng sense of parang security sa'yo. And self-worth, yung halaga mo. Kasi nga dito parang I don't want to be who I used to be. You deserve better. Yung self-worth mo, asa na doon? Diba? Pakita mo yung self-worth mo. Kasi parang sinasabi mo dito, hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo eh. Ganun ka eh. So, you let the person decide kung tanggap ka niya o hindi. Hindi yung parang i-push away mo na siya agad dahil kasi ganito ka. First quarter moon in Libra, keep your heart open. New moon in Cancer, relax. And new moon in Gemini, think it through. Yeah, pag-isipan mo. Isipan mo mabuti, Aries. Kasi, diba, parang sayang naman kung ito na yung the one. Ito, diba? Ito na yung the one. Tapos, binibigyan ka ng second chance. Hindi mo ba i-grab? Kasi dahil ang tingin mo lang sa sarili mo, eh, hindi ka karapat-dapat. Sayang naman yung pagmamahal na yun, diba? So, kung kanino mang Aries itong nakuha natin, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo dito sa pagbasa na to at sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa iyo. Sa susunod pong muli, ingat ka and God bless.